Very good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed first sem portion. Today I am going to start second sem. The book is second sem. The first chapter is multiplication. What is a multiplication? Multiplication is one of the basic operation. In a mathematics, it is a basic operation. There are four operations in a mathematics. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These main four basic operations. In that, we are going to learn today multiplication. What is a multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. What is this? Multiplication is a repeated addition. How it is? For example, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Just I am showing you 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Then how it is in multiplication? This is what this is the addition. Then what is how to write in multiplication? Both are related to each other. Addition and multiplication. Repeated addition. This 2 is there. How many times? 1, 2, 3. That is 2. 2 3s are 6. Here 5, 5, 5, 5. Just I'm showing example. This is what repeated addition. Multiplication is the repeated addition. Here 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. Okay. Now how to write this in multiplication? This 5 is there. How many times? 4 times. It is 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Both are related to each other. So here multiplication is repeated addition. Then in this multiplication we'll have in multiplication it has multiplicand, multiplier and product. What is multiplicand? Multiplicand is a number which multiplies the given number. For example, here I have taken 5 into 4. This 5 is a multiplicand and 4 is a multiplier. What is multiplier? Multiplier is the number which multiplies the given number. The number, this is the given number which multiplies the given number. This is multiplicand and it is a multiplier. Then what is resulting? This is multiplicand and this is multiplier and 5% 20. This is product. What is multiplicand? Multiplicand. It is the number to be multiplied. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which multiplies the given number is called multiplier. And the result of these two is a product. So here there is a formula. It may come in test. Very soon you will have a Sunday. Today only Sunday is there. Actually today that Kannada English test was there, but English test postponed tomorrow because of net problem. 3 days classes are not completed. Portion is not completed. So tomorrow we are going to take a test, that is English test. Next Sunday we will have a mathematics test. In test it may come for exam. That is what multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. Students, this is very important, compulsory. It will come in the exam or test. They may give multiplicand. You have to write. If they give this and this, multiplicand and multiplier, they will give this one plan. You have to write product. Sometimes they may give multiplicand and product. You have to write multiplier. Sometimes they may give multiplier and product. This blank will be there. You have to write multiplicand. So here, wherever some problems, in some problems the formulas will come now. You have to keep that in your mind. It may come for in. And one more thing, students, in last sem, FA1 and FA2, and one sem exam also, you have written by taking answer sheet. But this time it is not like that. It is in a Google form. You have to pick the answers. You will get a question paper in a Google form, and you have to tick. There will be a 20 multiple choice questions will be there. Only there are 4 options will be there. In that, one answer will be correct, and which is that correct answer, you have to just click on the option which is correct one. Little bit change this side, this time. So carefully you have to already have subscribed in Google form also. You will get in Google form the question paper. Tomorrow you will have a test that will be in Google form. Okay, students. This multiplier, multiplier and product. This now, yesterday we have given length 8.1, exercise 8.1 and 8.2. Today we will get that. And next chapter 9, that is area and perimeter, or perimeter and area. Then after that, data handling. These all notes we will give you. Then next, after completing data handling in first sem test notebook only out, right? Next, this what today what I am taking, that is a second sem, that is first chapter. For this you have to make 200-page unrolled notebook. Okay, students. So here some explanation I will give, and later we'll send notes of that. Here, multiplicand, multiplier and product. This is even we will give in the notes. Just you have to leave one page for that. Just one front page you have to leave for that. You have to start another notebook. That should be a 200-page notebook. Okay, students. Then what is multiplicand? What is multiplier? What is product? You have understood now. Then next, there are some properties of multiplication. What are those? Students, these notes I will not give on board. I will give this in notes. Your class teacher will send you in WhatsApp group. What is properties? Don't write this whatever I gave in board just now. No need to write. Just go through the textbook. That is page number 1. Properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. What are the properties? First one. If we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. For example, just I will take any number. For example, 9 into 0 is equal to 0. And 0 into 16 is equal to 0. Any number, if we multiply by 0 or 0 is multiplied with any number, the product will be 0. Multiply, product. Multiply, product. Say, if any number multiplies with 0, answer will be 0, the product will be 0, or 0 is multiplied by any number, the product will be 0. This is property. First property it is. Then what is second one? Second property, any number if we multiply by 1. For example, 5 into 1. Any number multiplied by 1, the product itself, answer will be 5 only. Or 1 is multiplied by any number. You can take 15. 1 15 is 15. Or 5 ones are 5. Or you can take 15 ones are 15. Either you can take multiplicand or multiplier. Any one should be 1. If it is 1, either multiplicand or multiplier, if it is 1, then the product itself, which number we will take. The number which we will take, that is the product. This is second property. In multiplication, the second property. What is third one? If we will take any two numbers by interchanging the numbers, if we interchange, then also we will get the same product. Third is, what is the third property? Product remains the same when interchange multiplicand and multiplier. Answer will be same or product will be same. For example, 8 into 5. 8 5 are 14. Or 5 into 8 is equal to 5 8 are 14. Students, I am not taking examples from textbook. In textbook they have given another numbers. Here I have taken other numbers. Myself, I have taken my own numbers. Even you also, you can try it by taking your own numbers. You will get the product. You will easily, you can find what are the properties. There are 3 properties. Which are those? First property, the number. Any number if we multiply by 0 or 0 is multiplied by any number, the product will be 0. A second property is any number multiplied by 1 or 1 is multiplied by any number, the product remains the same. Always the product of any number and 1 is always the number itself. Which number we will take? Same number will be the product. Then third property is by interchanging multiplicand and multiplier, we get the same product. We get the same there. See, 8 5s are 40 or 5 8s are 40. What is this? If we interchange multiplicand and multiplier, the product remains the same. Okay, students, just for this. Now I told you, you have to make new notebook. That is for second sem. It should be an unrolled notebook. Okay. Next, we will give on Tuesday. There is homework number 1 again in second sem. There you have to keep ready for homework also. That is homework number 1. That will be, we are going to give very soon. That is on Tuesday. Okay, students. Now, revision exercise. Just you don't write all these. We will give this in notes. Then we start now. Exercise. That is revision exercise. Revision exercise. In revision exercise, what are the problems? Nothing is there. 0 is multiplied by any number, or 1 is multiplied by any number, or any number is multiplied by 1, or the numbers, if we interchange multiplier and multiplier, the number will be, the product will be same. These only in the revision exercise. That is the first bit. Find the product of the following. If you are having notebook, you can start to write this one. Only by leaving only one page. In new notebook, only you have to leave one page. When we will give the notes, you can write that one. You can start in next page, revision exercise. And the students, before going to write, you have to write today's date, that is 8/11/2020. It is very compulsory, students. Inside the first time, you did not write dates. Please write the date whenever you are going to start. First, you write the date and you have to start the chapter. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. 35 into 0. Already you know that what product we will get. 35 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Then second, 164 into 1. Any number multiplied by 1, the number itself. That is 164, 1 is 164. Then 100 into 0. 100 into 0. Same. That is first property. Any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Then fourth, 1 into 235. 1 into 235. 1 is multiplied by any number. the product is same. Whatever the number is there, that is 235. Fifth, 0 into 1001. 0 into 1001. 0 into any number. 0. If you multiply with 0, the product is 0. Product of those two is 0. 6. 1 into 55. 1 into 55. Any number multiplied by 0. Sorry. 1. The number remains the same. It is 55. Students, here only two numbers are there. Two numbers we multiplied. Sometimes 3, 4 like that. Just I will show here. 2 into 3 into 5 into 0. Don't go to multiply this all. Just here in this 0 is enough. The full answer will be 0. No, not this year. Next year. In next year, or when we go to 6th standard, 7th standard, sometimes the numbers will come and that 0 will be there. If the product of these two will be 0. Anyway, if you find 0, the product will be 0. So no need of multiplying these all numbers. Directly you can write 0 there. Okay, students, this you can take by leaving one page for notes. That is, before going to start that revision exercise, you have to write some notes about multiplication that we will give in the notes. Next, find the product of the following. Just write down these. Students, if any doubt, you can contact me 9741285537. Find the product of the following. Second, find the product of the following. This first bit is so easy. Easily you can write fast, but here in second bit, you have to multiply 2-digit numbers. 45 into 16. First one, 45 into 16. If you know multiples of 16, directly you can write the product. Otherwise, you have to take single digit. First unit place number, then tens place number. You write here 45 into 60. 16 5 is 80. Carry it. 16 4 is 16 4 how much? 64. 16 4 is 64. 64 plus 8. 64 plus 8. 72. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. That is 720. Students, you have to practice multiples, tables up to 21. That is very necessary, compulsory. How to practice tables from 2 ones to 21. Then only it will be easy for multiplying and multiplication and division. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. So please, you have to practice up to 20 table. Second, 63 into 31. 63 into 31. Here, I told you only how to practice at least up to 20 table. Here, there are two digits. First, you multiply by taking unit place number. 3 ones are 3, or 1 3s are 3, 1 6 are 6. Then next tens place number, that is 3, 3 3s are, and the students here in your textbook in some examples they have given just blank, nothing is there. You will get confusion if you not write anything. So better you write here plus sign. In unit place you have write plus sign. Then tens place 3 3s are 9 and 3 6 are 18. 3 15. Carry 1 9 1. It is 1953. Third question. Third one, 162 into 80. 162 into, 70. 162 into 17. Either you can take single digit, or if you know 17 multiples of 17 or 17 table, directly you can take. Otherwise, you can take only single digit. 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 7 6 are 42 plus 1, 43. 7 1 is 7 plus 4, 11. 0 or plus sign. Here I have written plus sign. Even you can write 0 also. 1 2s are 2. 1 6 are 6. 1 1 are 1. 4 5 7 2. 2754. 2754. Product of 162 and 70 is 2754. This 162 is a multiplier, 17 is a multiplier, 2754 is the product. Here, remaining they have given 6 questions. In that, I have completed 3 questions. I solved, I multiplied 3. Remaining 3, we will give in notes. Until that, you try it by taking these numbers. You try yourself taking any rough pages or like answer sheet. That is for your sake. Anyhow, even we will give in notes also. You try it yourself. Practice. These they are given for practice. We will give in notes. If I give all the questions, it will take more time in class. So you know how to multiply the given numbers. So just to make you to understand, I have given 3 questions. Remaining 3, you have to practice yourself, try it yourself. Next, third question. Third page. Solve the following problems. These are word problems. Solve the following. Students, in our daily life, we will go to market to purchase some things. There, for one item, for example, today, for cost of rate of 1 dozen banana. Cost of 1 dozen banana is 40 rupees or 50 rupees. Okay. Then, if you are going to take 2 dozen of bananas, then what is that? 50 1 50. 50 2 100. Cost of 1 dozen banana 50 rupees. Then you are going to buy 2 dozens. Then 50 1 50, 50 2 100. In our daily life, when we go to market, these are very necessary. This mathematics we will learn. We have to learn. It is necessary to learn. Why? Because in our daily life, knowingly or unknowingly, we will add, we will multiply, we will subtract, we will divide. These are 4 operations we will do knowingly or unknowingly. Okay, students. Then here the question is the cost of one notebook. The cost of one notebook is rupees. This is symbol of rupees. Cost of one notebook is 16 rupees. Rupees 16. Then what is the cost of 12 notebooks? What is the cost of 12 notebooks? the cost of 12 notebooks? Answer. Cost of one notebook is 16 rupees. You have to write either answer or a solution. Cost of one notebook is, this is called a statement. You have to write compulsory the statement. Cost of one notebook. I will write here one like this. One notebook. Here they have given in word. Here I have written symbol. Cost of one notebook is equal to rupees 16. Then cost of 12 notebooks. We have to multiply it. Question mark means for if we give 16 rupees to purchase to buy one notebook, if you are going to buy 12 notebooks, how many rupees we have to pay them? That is cross multiplication. 12 into 16. 16 twos are 32. 10, 16 ones are 16, 17, 18, 19. There, how many rupees we have to pay? We have to pay 192 rupees to purchase 12 notebooks. Therefore, the cost of 12 notebooks $190. Otherwise, I will write this in there. 12 the cost of 12 notebooks. $190. And directly you can write is equal to sign there only. Here you can write is equal to sign for this only. Rupees symbol compulsory. When you are going to write amount, rupees symbol you have to write compulsory. Next question. Write it fast. Students, write question yourself. Second question. The school fee of a student is 38 rupees. What is the total fee of 128 students? You see, usually in government schools, the fees will be very less. So here, for fees of one student fees is 38 rupees. If the number of students are 128, that how many rupees for 128 students? Second question, write question yourself. I will do directly answer. School fee of one student. ₹38. School fee of 128 students. How much? Cross multiplication 128 into 38. Right here 128 into 38. Here there are two digits. So you take single digit to multiply. There will be two steps. In step 1, unit place number, that is 8. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, that is 22. 16 plus 6 is 22. Carry 2. 8 1s are 8, 9, 10. Here, when you are going to write second step, whether you have to leave the place here, don't write in unit place any number, or you can write 0 or plus sign. In these three options, you can use and choose any one. You don't write any number, or you can write 0 or plus sign. I have chosen plus sign. 3 8s are 24. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6, 7 8. 3 1s are 3. 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 0 plus 8 is 8. 1 plus 3, 4. 4,864. Therefore, school fee of 128 students. Therefore, the school fee of 128 students. $4,864. Next, third question. Write question yourself. This third question I will give. Fourth and fifth will give in the notes. You have to leave the place for those two. Leave 2 pages for them. Now you can continue. Next question. It is third. "63 students went on a one-day excursion." Will go picnic now. There, 63 students are going to picnic with their class teacher. The class teacher collected 150 rupees for each student. For one student, class teacher is collecting 150 rupees. How many students are there here? How many are going? There are 63 students. Then what is the total amount teacher has collected? Here, for one student, she collects 150 rupees. There are 63 students. How many rupees class teacher has collected? Students, whenever you are watching to class, online class, you will sit for online class. You have to take textbook compulsory. You keep with your textbook compulsory, then only you will understand what Miss is giving. Page number 2, third bit, third question. 63 students went on a one-day excursion. That is for a picnic. Then, if you are going to picnic, how we will go? We will go by any vehicle, maybe van or any other bus. Like that, we will arrange. The school side will arrange some vehicle there. For that, we have to put a diesel or petrol. For that, teacher has collected how many rupees? 150 rupees for one student. So what you have to write here? For one student, or even what they told here? 63 students went on one day excursion with their class teacher. The class teacher collected 150 rupees from each student towards travel and lunch expenses. To traveling and lunch. For lunch, they arranged lunch their side, so that they collecting 150 rupees. What is the total amount collected? Third question. Students, write question yourself. If I write question, full this board will finish up. So better you write question yourself. The amount collected for one student. The amount collected from one student. That is rupees 150. Amount, the amount collected from 63 students. 63 students. Yes, for one student 150 rupees. Then how many rupees madam has collected from 63 students? Cross multiplication 63 into 150. 63 into 150. This is multiplier, this is multiplier. You can change it. 150 multiplier and 63 multiplier. You can take that. 150 into 63. Three into zero, zero divided 15. Carry 1. 3 ones are 3, plus 1 4. 6 into 0, 0. Or 0 into 6, 0. 6 5 are 30. 0 and carry 3. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 5, 4, 9. How many rupees? Madam collected 9,450 rupees. 9,450 rupees. Therefore, amount collected from 63 students. Amount collected from 63 students. Rupees 9,450. Here, there are 5 questions. In that, I have given 3 questions. Remaining 2, that 4th and 5th, you have to write the question, 4th question, that we will give in notes. 4th and 5th, we will give in the notes. Next, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. You have to write in fresh page. Writing date 8/11/2020. Multiply. Multiply. Here there are 3-digit numbers. Means we have to multiply in 3 steps. 3 rows will come. You have to take each time single digit to multiply. First one, 146 into 173. 146 into 173. First step, first row, unit place. 3 is in unit place, 7 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. So, first row, take 3, that is in unit place. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 4s are 12, plus 1, 13, carry 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. You write here, plus sign in second row. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Carry 4. 7 4s are 28. 29, 30, 31, 32. Here. Carry 3. 7 1s are 7. 8, 9, 10. Third row. In third row, you have to write plus sign. Unit place sign. Tens place. In second row, you have to write only. In unit place, you have to write plus sign or 0, or you should not write anything here. If you write plus here 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 4 are 12, plus 1, 13, carry 1, 3 1s are 3, plus 1, 4. Okay. Then we'll get next tens place. Okay. So we should not write in unit place. There should be a new number. You can live like this also. Live like this. Don't write any number. Or you can write plus sign. Otherwise, you will get confusion if you write here 2 here. The answer will come wrong. So here, why we are not writing here? Why? Because we are multiplying tens place with 10 place number. We are multiplying is 10 place number. So we have to write that in second row, tens place number in 10 and 10 place only we have to write the product. 1 6 are 6. In third, this is in 100 place. So we should not write in unit place and tens place. Directly we should come to hundreds place. 1 6 are 6. 1 4 are 4. 1 1 are 1. 8, 5, 4 6 are 10 plus 2, 12. Carry 1, 4, 1 and 4 are 5. 25,258. Second, 178 into 142. 178 into 142. single digit. Here you have to multiply in 3 rows. First row, 2 8s are 16, carry 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Here you should not write product in unit place. Why? Because now the multiplicand is 10th place. You are taking 10th place to multiply. 4 8s are 32. 2 carry 3. 4 7s are 28. 29 30 31. Carry 3. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. Now again here in third row you have to write plus sign in unit place and in tens place. Then 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7, 1 1s are 1. 6, 5 plus 2 7, 8 4 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 8 12, carry 1, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, carry 1, then 2. 25,276. Students, here you got the idea how to multiply. You know the method. Only the numbers change. So here remaining totally there are 8 problems. In that I have given to remaining 6 I will give in notes. Write it fast. Here also second mean multiply. But here multiplier is single digit. First question, 2861, 2861 into 9. This 2861 is multiplier. Sorry, multiplicand. 9 is a multiplier. Then we have to find product of these two. Answer 2861. Easily you will find the product if there is single digit number. If the multiplicand is single digit, it will be easy for you to multiply. 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54. 4 here 5 carry, 9 8s are 72 plus 5, 77. Carry 7, 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 2, sorry, 18 plus 7. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25,749. Next. $3,947 into 7. Here 3,947 is multiplied, 7 is multiplied. You have to find product. 3,947 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. Carry 4. 7 fours are 28. 28, 30, 31, 32. Carry 3. 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 3, 66. Carry 6. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27,629. It is a product. Multiplier, multiplied, product. Remaining here, totally there are 6 questions. Remaining 4, we will give in notes. Third bit. Multiply. I will make it third. Find the product. Find the product. First one, 9,025 into 10. Students, keep this in your mind. If the multiplier is 10, 100, 1,000, it's so easy. Just you have to write the given number. Like what multiplicand is there. Now friends say, if it is 10, you have to write after writing that 9,025 is there now. You have to write only 1 0 there. That is 90,250 will come. How I will show you. If it is multiplied by 100, you have to write 200. Okay, it will be easy. Directly, you have to use your brain. If it is 10, 100 or 1,000, no need of multiplying all the steps. Just you have to go on writing zeros, or maybe if it is 10, I will write after that number 1 0. If it is 100, after the multiplicand, what multiplicand is there? After that, you have to write 2 zeros. How I will show you? $9,025 into 10. Already you know that in properties I have explained 0 into any number is 0. So here these are all in the first row. If you multiply, you get the product 0. 1 into 0, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 0. 0 only. 0 into 9, 6. And in second row, this one is in tens place, so that we should not multiply and write here in unit place. You have to write this in tens place. Product of these two we have to write here in tens place. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. Again here. See here. Any number if we multiply by 1, the product will be the same number. Here, this is multiply, and multiply. 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2. Here 0 and 1 is 0. If multiply by 0, 1 is multiplied by 0, the product will be 0. And 1 into 0, 0. 1 9 is 9. This is 1 into 0. This is first property. 1 9 is 9. It is second property. 1 9 is 9 or 9 1 is 9. If any number multiplied by 1, the number itself in this, if any number multiplied by 0, the product will be 0. 0, 5, 2, 0, 9. That is 90,250. Already I have shown you that answer. You have to write, just you see, 9025. 9025. This 0 is one, here you have to write 0. That is easy method. Directly writing answer by what the multiplicand is there, same multiplicand you have to write. Just you have to write it in place 0. 90,200. Next, second question. This I want to here. No need, right? Second I give here. Two thousand five hundred 2,549 into 10. Answer 2,549 into 10. Here you have to multiply. See here in first row, if you multiply by 0, here first row, all the 4, this will be 0. Here 0 into 9, 0, 0 into 4, 0, 0 into 5, 0, 0 into 2, 0. Then in this first row over, second row, taking 10th place number, that is 2. You have to write in place plus sign. 2 9 is 18, carry 1, 2 4 is 8, plus 1, 9, 2 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 2 is 4, plus 1, 5. 0, 8, 9, 0, 5. Here also there are 8 questions. Remaining 6 questions will give you in notes. Because only numbers are changed. Method is same. So that even you can try yourself. Or anyhow we will give in the notes. Fourth bit multiply Here also a single digit. First one, 21,497. 21,497 into 3. 21,497 into 3. 3 sevens are 21. Carry 2. 3 nines are 27. 28, 29. Carry 2. 3 fours are 12. 13, 14. Carry 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1. 4. 3 twos are 6. 6. That is 64,491. Students, please, I will finish only fifth bit. Only one bit is there now. I will give one or two problems in that. Remaining two. They have given totally 4 questions. In that, I will give 2 questions. Remaining 2, I will give in notes. These remaining 3, same. Instead of 3, here they have given multiplicand in second question 5, in third question 7, in fourth question 9, and multiplicand they have given multiplier 5, 7, 9, and multiplier 15,746 instead of 21,497, and multiplicand in third question 11,048, in fourth question 10,039. So these are single digit multiplication is there, so that this you try yourself time being. Then anyhow we will give the notes just to check it out. Whatever you have multiplied is correct, the product you got is correct or not. See that. Next, solve the following problems. Here in 4 question only I gave only one. There are given 4 questions. 3 we will give in the notes. Because method is same, only the numbers are changed. Fifth, solve the following problems. First question. Mr. Siddhappa is a food selling agent. Here we have to multiply about fruits. Siddhappa is a fruit seller agent who exports oranges, and she is sending export import. He is sending or exporting oranges. One box contains 144 oranges. See here, there are some boxes. How many boxes are there? If he exports 259 boxes, how many boxes are there? There are 250, like this. Totally, there are 259 boxes. You don't write this one, just I am explaining. Like this, how many are there? There are 259 boxes. In each box, 144 oranges. each box, how many oranges? 144. Like this, how many boxes are there? There are 259 boxes. Find the total number of oranges exports. Here what we have to write? Number of oranges in one box. Children, you have to write, question yourself. Going to answer. Number of oranges in one box. Number of in one box. How many? 144. Then number of oranges in 259. Question. 259 boxes. That is, we have to cross multiply 259 into 144. Here, right side, you have to multiply 259 into 144. Here there are three digits. First you take unit place number, that is 4. 4 9 are 36. Carry 3. 4 5 are 20 plus 3 23. 4 2 are 8 9 10. Then here also 4 is there. In second row, same number become just unit place. 4 9 are 36.